This is it. This is what we're doing. That's it. I don't know. I don't know where you go. He's gonna like throw his bike over. All right, where do you go from there? You go to there? Holy shit! Is he okay? Oh my god, dude. Holy shit! Are you okay, dude? Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. God damn. Where'd you land at? Up there?
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. I'd have been shitting.
I came with it.
God damn, dude.
There's nowhere to go. I know, but I started